and stick.
What are you doing, Jacob?
Oh, I'm fishing.
Oh, you're fishing?
Yeah.
What are you fishing for?
I'm fishing and the other animals.
For Tiny Tim and the other animals?
And fishies.
And fishies!
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's your fishing pole?
That's where you're fishing.
There's your fishing pole.
Well, I almost tripped. That's almost funny.
It was almost funny.
What? Fish, 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 fish. Fish, 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 fish. Fish, 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 fish. Fish, fish, fish. Do you see him in the water?
Do you see him in the water?
I'm almost fishing. I'm almost fishing. I'm fishing. I'm fishing. This is my brother Ori, and this is Tiny Tim. And this is Tiny Tim.
Who's this? Who's this over here?
That is me. And that is they. And that is those. Is Jose.
Jose, huh?
Is Jose.
I'm Jose, huh?
Who's this?
I'm Stuart.
I'm Stroke?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, and I'm Nat. And I'm Nat.
And that's Nat? Yeah.
Yeah, we're all fishing. We're all fishing. This is my friend Gint. This is my friend Gint. And then you it's in here. And then I fish. I'm fishing in the duck pond.
Are you fishing in the duck pond?